Hey there, it's Justin here from the Book Like a Boss team, and in this video, we'll show you how to use coupon codes. Coupon codes are great for driving business, bringing in new customers, and giving discounts during slower time periods when you want to book more business. Start off by going to Settings, then click on Coupons. We're going to add a coupon here, just click Add New Coupon, and let's say we're creating a coupon for new customers. We'll call this one New Customers, and the actual coupon code will be Welcome Aboard. You can choose to make the discount a flat amount, like $5 or $10 off, or a percentage. Let's use a percentage and give 10% off for new customers, then click Save. Now here, we're able to customize this coupon more. Let's set the availability window, for example, for the entire month of September. Next, you can choose what services or products the coupon applies to, and you can add multiple or just keep it limited to one if you'd like. Now here, let's say we'll allow 100 uses, and the minimum order needs to be $50. Once that's set, save the coupon. I hope that helps.